What's up, guys? Welcome back to Blackburns Renovation. So today on this video, y'all see I did two houses. I got them labeled house number one, house number two. House number one was a friend of mine house. So he wanted me to do the laundry room, the kitchen, dining room, living room, and hallway. So in that video, y'all see me doing the flooring, which I really didn't record me doing the flooring, but I did record me like showing the before and after of the flooring before I started and when I finished it and when I did the trim. House number two, I'll show you the before, how the flooring looked at first, and then I will show you how it looked once I finish. Now that she said she's gonna wait on the trim for a later date. So if y'all don't see any trim or transition strips in that house number two, don't be alarmed. So if y'all got any questions or comments or anything, just feel free to ask me. So I hope y'all like the video. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.